हलचल टीवी न्यूज। मुंबई में परिसर आशा जैसे एजुकेशनल एनजीओ को सपोर्ट करने बॉलीवुड एक्टर जूही चावला पहुंची। यहां जूही ने एजुकेशन की बात की। जूही ने बताया कि हम सिर्फ आज ही एजुकेशन के बारे में बात नहीं करेंगे, बल्कि हमें जब जब एजुकेशन की जरूरत होगी सामने आकर सपोर्ट करेंगे। जूही की फिल्म चॉक एंड डस्टर भी एजुकेशन पर बेस्ड है, इसीलिए जूही ने बताया कि हमारी फिल्म राजस्थान में टैक्स फ्री हो गई है और धीरे धीरे कुछ और एक स्टेट में टैक्स फ्री होने वाली है, जिसे लेकर जूही चावला लगी बहुत ही एक्साइटेड।
I think Parisar Asha, what I have understood, basically helps people exchange ideas about education. So, teachers, principals, trustees come together and they, Parisar Asha, I guess, gets eminent people in this
No,
field.
actually, see, let me tell you about Parisar Asha.
हाँ
It's
जी,
a
best.
33-year-old organization, and it was started by a teacher called Gloria D'Souza. She is no more now, but she wanted to change the entire education system. Because our education system is just creating, rote learning, it's just promoting rote learning.
Correct.
And there is no scope. I mean, I can ask you that because since you come from a very creative field, in our school days we never given that freedom, to explore this art, explore different angles of our personality. It's all about discovering ourselves, because finally life is nothing else, but it's about a journey of discovery. So Parisar Asha helps our schools, supports the schools who can't afford quality education.
Okay.
Because today every person would like to put their child into the best education system, where it can be very expensive education system, but our 80% of Aam Janta goes to normal schools where these facilities are not available. So that's where we are empowering schools to provide this quality education to our students who can't afford, because they are the one tomorrow's future. And that's why we had this entire seminar, the concept of art of learning for a sustainable tomorrow. So what is that learning all about? What should we learn? So it's why, when, what. It's all about learning the right things.
And I'm very happy to hear that, because as parents हमको भी कभी लगता है, मुझे तो काफ़ी लगता है, अब मैं बच्चों की किताबें देखती हूँ तो बहुत कुछ भरा हुआ है उसके अंदर, इन्फॉर्मेशन बहुत है, अच्छी है, मगर एक तो बहुत ज़्यादा है फॉर अ लिटिल चाइल्ड। तो मुझे लगता है हम उन्हें क्यों इतना बर्डन कर देते हैं कि इसे पढ़ के इसको याद कर लो, उसको याद कर लो, और जब एग्ज़ाम आए वो निकाल देते हैं अपने सिस्टम से, उसके बाद दे डोंट इवन वांट टू लुक एट दैट इन्फॉर्मेशन अगेन. So that is not making them love their books or love the knowledge. It's not doing that.
How much do you remember what you learnt in 10th standard?
You're very right. I think there's little that you even use of it, I mean, somehow. So I wish कि जैसा आपने कहा, it's more about discovering, opening your mind, questioning things, looking at things with new eyes, not being conditioned कि ये एक माइक्रोफोन है, ये रेड कलर है, ये वाइट कलर है, NDTV, finish. It's like कौन है, क्यों, क्या पूछना चाहेंगे, मैं क्या कह सकती हूँ, it should be more. So I'm very happy to hear कि परिसर आशा ऐसा कुछ कर रही है.
आप देख रहे हैं हलचल टीवी न्यूज।